Today we will be making a delicious jambalaya recipe that your whole family can enjoy. This recipe has lots of flavors, veggies, and tasty low-fat meat. For this recipe, you will need 15 ingredients. We'll start with a 14-ounce low-fat turkey sausage, 1 pound of chicken breast, non-stick cooking spray, 1 medium celery stick, 2 small white onions, 4 garlic cloves, 1 small bunch of green onions, 1 medium green bell pepper, 14 ounces of diced canned tomato, 1.5 cups of brown rice, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 small cubes of chicken bouillon, 1 basil leaf, 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, and 3 teaspoons of fine chopped parsley. Spray a medium saucepan with nonstick cooking spray. Brown the sausage and the chicken over medium heat. Remove chicken and sausage from pan. Add the next 6 ingredients to the same pot and cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes. And sausage back into the pot. Add the rice, chicken broth, chicken bouillon, bay leaf, cayenne pepper, and bring to a boil. Cover, reduce heat, and let simmer for about 50 minutes. Stir in parsley and serve warm. Enjoy!